Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by gathering your essential ingredients for a delicious miso soup. We'll begin with the heart of the soup, dashi stock. To make dashi, gently simmer a 10-centimeter piece of kombu seaweed in 4 cups of water for about 10 minutes. Then, remove the kombu, add 1 cup of bonito flakes, and let it steep for just 30 seconds before straining. This creates a rich, umami-packed base for our soup. Next, let's prepare our solids. Take a block of firm or silken tofu and cut it into neat 1-centimeter cubes. For the seaweed, rehydrate about 1 tablespoon of dried wakame in a small bowl of water for 5 minutes until it expands. Once both are ready, gently add the tofu cubes and the rehydrated wakame to your simmering dashi stock. Let them warm through for a couple of minutes. Now for the star ingredient, miso paste. It's crucial not to boil miso, as this can destroy its delicate flavor and beneficial probiotics. Ladle about half a cup of warm dashi from your pot into a small bowl with 2 tablespoons of miso paste. Whisk it thoroughly until the miso is completely dissolved and smooth. Then, turn off the heat under your main pot and gently stir in the dissolved miso. Your homemade miso soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle the warm soup into individual serving bowls. For a final touch, sprinkle a generous amount of thinly sliced green onions over each serving. This adds a lovely fresh crunch and vibrant color. Take a moment to savor the comforting warmth and rich, savory flavors of your freshly prepared, nutritious miso soup. It's a simple pleasure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.